Maybe not. We paint the light. We paint the blue. That's from my hair, that'll burn. Woo! There we go. We're off. Took a while. Took a while. We're there.
One, two.
That's behind a pack of them.
Okay, welcome for tuning into my channel. Today we're doing a response to Hayes Outdoors with one of his challenges of show us your meat. So it's about talking about men's mental health, going outside, cooking up a nice steak meal, and then talking a little bit about mental health either yourself or things to be aware of when we're actually doing this. But so I thought what I'll do today, I'll come out and talk and go over and talk about men's mental health, but with a slight twist. Because I'm ex-forces, a lot of people suffer with post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD for short. That's when we've gone out and been on battlefields or seen things which are quite disturbing, which we hold back and we don't like to talk about, and it can affect family life in later days. So we're going to turn these steaks over now, and then we'll talk a little bit about more in depth just before we tuck in. Oh, I think these apples are done.
There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky.
We're gonna win a steak dinner.
Okay, so sorry, before I tuck into my nice steak, seeded bun, roasted apple and pecan and cookie dough sort of in there. It's a nice little combination. We just need to talk about a little bit of men's mental health. So as we know, the UK and all sorts of things, men don't like to come forward and talk about their mental health issues. It's a whole thing. Me myself as well. I don't talk about it. If something's a problem with me, I tend to not talk about it. I hold it in. I don't really say about it. But sometimes when we come back from the forces, we're out in operations and we have to do certain jobs or see certain things which aren't really pleasant or nice to see, or quite traumatic sort of sometimes. Me myself, I've been in such situations where I've been walking down the street, and next thing I know, cars blown up next to me, or been shot at, or rockets falling just in front of my face, my feet. That's quite traumatic sort of stuff, where if you just bottle this sort of stuff in and don't talk about it, it can really hold you back, and sometimes you can lose your family over it, you lose friends over it, you just bottle yourselves in. When I came back from Afghanistan, I hated crowds. I couldn't walk around, I couldn't walk in the cities. I always had to be my back against the wall, so therefore I couldn't see what's behind me. But when time started talking to people, talk to other colleagues, talk to friends, family, about things which you do out there, they sort of help bring these things to surface, and you can start talking about it and start find yourself a lot easier to deal with. So that's what all mental health is. It's basically just, guys, don't be ashamed to talk about it. Just go out there, say what you're feeling, get it off your chest, and then you'll find yourself a lot better and a happier place. When you know people are out there to help you, support you, you can go a really long way. So that's my little take on mental health. If you want to do these sort of videos as well, give it a try. Yeah, share it. So this video is all about showing people, telling people, and showing the world about issues. And there's people out there to help. I'll put a little tag or screen up there, or in the comments down below, where places where you can ring up and have impartial talk, confidential talks. If you don't want to talk to people you know, you can talk to people who are trim trained, is what we call it in the army, where someone out of your line of command or things like that, where you can go talk to someone about something that's happened and they can help you steer in the right direction. But until then, just remember, it's better to be one with wilderness than to fight and struggle. So next video, see you then. Let's tuck in. What's it like?
Good.
One, two.
Full of flavour.